The National Hurricane Center is currently monitoring the Southwest Caribbean for potential tropical development. This area is showing signs of increased activity, and it's crucial for us to stay informed. Meteorologists are analyzing satellite imagery and weather patterns to assess the likelihood of a storm forming. If a system develops, it could bring heavy rainfall and strong winds, impacting our communities. It's important to prepare now. Check your emergency kits, stay tuned to local forecasts, and have a plan in place. Remember, even if a storm doesn't form, the weather can change rapidly in this region. Stay alert and keep your loved ones safe. Like and follow for more TrendGoat news.